So the next is, so hack and chop. Hacking, chopping. Hack means cutting something, chopping means bringing something by after cutting it, bringing into slices. So chopping, thin slices. So hack and chop, that means this simple jab will not do it. What you need to do is to hack and chop. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Again, hacking and chopping won't do it. That means won't kill the tree. Won't is the contracted form of will not, okay, which is written like this. Like this it is written, but here it is written in this way. So hack and chop, that means cutting and chopping it will not again kill the tree. Still the tree is alive. Not so much pain will do it. Even this hacking and chopping will not pain the tree, because it has that hard brown skin. Okay, so not so much pain will do it. Yes, it will bleed again. As you know, he is a doctor, so he has taken the sensitive words from his medical term, so that he can bring the reader's attention towards the pain of the trees also. If we get cut on our skin, it bleeds and we feel that pain. Okay, so if we think in the same way about the trees, for the trees, so we will we will not cut the trees, we will not exploit the trees. So the not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal again. Okay, so the bleeding bark will heal again. Why? Because it has that strength, and its real power of life, its real power of healing comes from its roots, which is deep within the earth. Okay, so the bleeding bark will heal again, and from close to the ground. और ये जो ब्लीडिंग बार्क है, जब हम उसको ग्राउंड यानी कि क्रस्ट के ऊपर का जो जितना पार्ट है उसको अगर हम काट कर गिरा भी देते हैं, इट विल ब्लीड बट इट विल नॉट किल द ट्री. इट विल नॉट kill the tree. The bleeding bark will heal again, and from close to the ground means close to the earth, close to the soil. Okay, and this soil is actually what? The soil is the nourishing point. Okay, from here it gets its nourishment. This is the production source. ये फैक्ट्री है, यहीं से तो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है. सो यहाँ से क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड, ग्राउंड के क्लोज से यानी कि अर्थ से जब तक वो जुड़ा हुआ है ज़मीन से, तब तक इट विल राइज, एंड इट विल राइज, दैट मीन्स द ट्री विल राइज इन व्हाट फॉर्म? इन द कर्ल्ड ट्विग्स, कर्ल्ड ग्रीन ट्विग्स. ग्रीन ट्विग्स मीन्स ये जो ग्रीन हरे भरे जो पत्ते होते हैं, या हरे भरे जो छोटे छोटे टेंड्रल्स होते हैं, पहले ये छोटे छोटे ब्रांचेस निकलेंगे. ओके, ग्राउंड के क्लोज से. कहाँ से निकलेंगे? कौन उन्हें पैदा करेगा? रूट्स, क्योंकि रूट्स अभी भी जिंदा हैं. सो कर्ल्ड ग्रीन ट्विग्स, miniature boughs, that means small part of the big branches. You can see the big branches, but here those branches are in miniature form, because these are the things which are again taking birth. Okay, they are taking birth again. So miniature boughs which if unchecked, and if these curled green twigs, that means these newborn babies of the plant, of the tree, are unchecked, that means if we don't cut it again, if we don't destroy it again completely, unchecked means if we leave it alone to grow, it will expand, मतलब ये फैल जाएगा, ये विस्तृत हो जाएगा. It will expand again to its former size, ये अपने former size में वापस आ जाएगा. Okay, former size means पहले वाला जो इसका साइज था उसमें ये वापस आ जाएगा.